Here's a 2021 Lexus GX. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, active front and rear anti-roll bar, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.